Welcome back and thank you for choosing UpdateYourList.com. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how you can utilize our do-it-yourself portal to validate your existing email addresses. To begin, select Step 1, Upload File from the left-hand menu. Select the database format of your file. As you can see, we accept most third-party database formats to include Excel, Access, DBase, CSV, and pretty much all the text-delimited formats. Click the Browse button and select your file to upload. And in Step 2, you'll be required to select the services you want to perform on your file. In this sample tutorial, we'll be performing an email validation. Simply click on Step 2, select Services from the left-hand menu, and then select the submenu Verification Services. While we're scrolling down to the email section, just a quick note that there's a 7-step validation process that we perform on your file, which automatically identifies emails known to be associated with spam traps. We also identify invalid emails and domains, role accounts, complainers, known hard bounces, and undeliverable email addresses. In other words, if the emails in your file do not pass our 7-step validation process, we'll tell you which step the email failed and also append a specific reason code on why your email address is considered undeliverable. And at the bottom of the list are the deliverable codes. These are the successful validation codes you're hoping we can append to your file, indicating the email addresses are good to go. In Step 3, we'll go through the exercise of mapping the required fields for email validation. In this case, we only require your file to contain an email address. So you'll notice that each column has a drop-down box. Simply make your selection for the required email field. Finally, click the Next button to continue. Alright, Step 4 is used to preview your selected services before continuing to the credit card checkout page. If you'd like to reference this job, you can enter a custom PO number in the text box field provided. To continue, click on the Confirm Order button. In the final step, you'll be required to enter your credit card information. You can optionally save your billing profile to make future checkouts easier. And a quick note, we don't store credit card information on our servers. Instead, we utilize Authorize.net to securely provide these services for us. Once you finish entering your billing information, click on the Submit button to authorize your credit card and submit this job for our processing queue. Okay, you've created a work order and submitted your file to our processing queue. Feel free to click on the Print button to download a PDF version of your work order. When placing an order in the Do-It-Yourself portal, you'll receive several email notifications. The first email notification will be an input layout. And to note, if you upload a large file with hundreds of thousands of records, it may take our servers a little longer than normal to prepare your file for processing. So you can use this input layout email notification as an indicator that you can continue to the next step in selecting your services. In addition, you'll receive an email notification of your output layout. This layout will include a list of fields appended along with a detailed description of all the field values. In this video tutorial, we're performing an email validation, so your output layout will contain the various validation codes and detailed descriptions as a result of our 7-step email validation process that we performed on each of your provided email addresses. Finally, you'll receive an email notification with an invoice attached when your file has finished processing. Simply return to the Do-It-Yourself portal to download your final output files. Once you return to the portal, you can refresh the current status by clicking on the dashboard icon located at the top of your screen. Next, you can click the Download Results button to navigate to the File portal. And to download your results, select Final Output Package and click the blue Download Selected Files button. Your final zip file will contain your appended data along with the matching layouts. If we take a quick glance at your output results, you'll notice that your email validation codes are appended to the end of each record, and again, you can refer to the output layout for the detailed descriptions of each code and reason. Once again, thanks for choosing UpdateYourList.com.